Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so in this video today, we have a special collaboration with the Classy Decor Club, and it's a Mother's Day collab, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Okay, so the co-hostesses are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, and Creations by Simone. So as you can see, I'm already starting to decorate the table for my mother and I. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decorated their table for Mother's Day. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and continue setting up this table. Okay, it looks like the table is all set. You know, we have to light some candles, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal so I can show you the table. Okay, let's take a look at the table all the way around before I start describing what I'm using. Okay, let's start over here with these glasses. So here is a wine glass. Now these wine glasses and the water glasses I thrifted. So that was a really great buy. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, especially this blue water glass. Now we're going to move on over to the plate setting. So now the gold utensils were a gift. Okay. And now we're going to move on over to the napkin. Now the cloth napkin was thrifted, and then I went ahead and wrapped that with a striped napkin and then put a Dollar Tree napkin ring around that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now we're going to move on over to these dishes. Now these dishes I did get at the Dollar Tree, but this blue salad plate was a thrifted item, and that gave it a really beautiful touch. So this is what the Dollar Tree plates look like. And I think they're beautiful. You can't beat the price. And of course, the charger also came from the Dollar Tree. So I think overall, this is a beautiful budget-friendly tablescape. And I think the table came out gorgeous. And that blue is stunning. Okay, like I said, I really think my mother's gonna love this table. Between the candles, the florals, and just the color by itself, the whole table looks gorgeous. I am very happy with it, and I hope that you like it too. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and have a happy Mother's Day. I hope your day is blessed.